Welcome back, woodworking enthusiast, to our channel. If you are passionate about precision, quality craftsmanship, and saving time on your DIY projects, this video is for you. Today, we're diving into the best sliding miter saws featuring trusted names like DeWalt, Bosch, Delta, and Metabo. These tools are more than just saws, they're the heart of any woodworking project, giving you flawless cuts and a professional edge. In this video, we'll be reviewing 5 outstanding sliding miter saws: DeWalt DWS 779, Bosch GCM 12ST, DeWalt DWS 709, Delta Cruiser, and Metabo C10 FSH-CT. Each of these products has been rigorously tested for performance, durability, and precision, making them perfect for professionals and DIYers alike. Stick with us as we break down their standout features, real-world applications, and why they deserve a place in your workshop. Don't forget to check the description box and the first comment for direct Amazon links to each saw. Whether you are looking to upgrade your tools or starting fresh, we've got you covered. And hey, before we jump into the reviews, take a second to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications to stay updated with our latest videos. Leave a comment below about your favorite woodworking tool, and let's get started. DeWalt DWS 779. The DeWalt DWS 779 is a powerhouse in the world of sliding miter saws, designed to tackle the toughest woodworking tasks with ease. Powered by a 15 amp motor delivering 3,800 revolutions per minute, this saw is built for high performance. It features a dual bevel sliding system, allowing for precise angle cuts up to 45 degrees on both sides are must-have for crown molding, baseboards, and intricate trim work. The stainless steel detent plate with 10 positive stops ensures repeatable accuracy, making every cut as precise as the first. One of its standout features is the dust collection system, which captures up to 75% of the dust, keeping your workspace clean and your lungs safe. Weighing in at 67 pounds, it's sturdy enough for heavy-duty projects, but still portable enough for job site use. Whether you are a professional contractor or a weekend warrior, the DeWalt DWS 779 delivers exceptional value. Interested? Click the Amazon link in the description to grab yours today. Bosch GCM 12ST. The Bosch GCM 12SD redefines precision with its patented axial glide system, which eliminates the traditional rail setup for a smoother, more compact operation. This innovative design saves up to 12 inches of workspace, making it perfect for small workshops. The 15 amp motor generates 3,800 revolutions per minute, giving you the power to cut through hardwood, softwood, and even composite materials with ease. With a 14-inch horizontal and 6.5-inch vertical cutting capacity, this saw excels at handling larger pieces. Its ergonomic design includes upfront bevel controls so you can make adjustments without reaching behind the saw. Plus, its dust chute and vacuum adapter ensure your work environment stays clean. For professionals and hobbyists looking for unmatched precision and versatility, the Bosch GCM 12SD is a top contender. Check the description box for the best deal. DeWalt DWS 709. If you are after a compact, lightweight sliding miter saw that doesn't compromise on power, the DeWalt DWS 709 is an excellent choice. With a 12-inch blade and a powerful 15 amp motor, this saw delivers smooth and accurate cuts every time. Its dual bevel design allows for angle cuts in both directions, while the miter detent override gives you the flexibility to customize angles for more complex projects. The saw also features a tall sliding fence, which supports crown molding up to 5.5 inches nested. Weighing only 51 pounds, it's incredibly portable, making it a favorite for contractors who need to move between job sites. Ready to invest in a reliable tool? Click the link in the description for more details. Delta Cruiser. The Delta Cruiser stands out with its military-grade aluminum arms, offering unparalleled stability and precision. Its innovative design allows for smoother sliding motion, reducing vibration, and improving accuracy. The saw's large cutting capacity makes it ideal for framing, cabinetry, and detailed woodworking projects. It features easy-to-use bevel and miter controls, which allow for quick adjustments without complicated setups. The saw also comes equipped with a shadow guide cutting line system for maximum accuracy. Built for durability and ease of use, the Delta Cruiser is perfect for both professionals and hobbyists. Don't miss out, find the product link in the description to grab yours today. Metabo C10 FSH-CT. Last but not least, the Metabo C10 FSH-CT combines safety, precision, and affordability. Its 10-inch blade is powered by a 15-amp motor, making it capable of cutting through a variety of materials with ease. The laser marker system ensures precision, while the electronic speed control maintains consistent RPM under load. The saw also features a soft start function, which reduces noise and recoil during operation, making it a user-friendly option for beginners. With its lightweight design and compact size, it's perfect for small workshops. For more details, click the link in the description to check out the latest deals. That wraps up our review of the best sliding miter saws for 2024. Each of these tools offers something unique, from the power-packed DeWalt DWS 779 to the space-saving Bosch GCM 12ST and the versatile Delta Cruiser. We've provided Amazon links to all these products in the description box and pinned them in the first comment for your convenience. Make sure to check them out to find the perfect tool for your needs. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow woodworking enthusiasts, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more in-depth tool reviews. Let us know in the comments which miter saw caught your eye, or share your experiences if you've used any of these before. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy woodworking.